Hi Believers friends, I got inspired by some friends of mine to make some nature prints. So I went down to the park and I've got various types of leaf. You start by putting the paint on the paper and spreading it a little bit like this, just so I get some on my sponge. Maybe a bit more this flatter leaf, and I'll just put it like this. And I'm gonna have to make sure that the whole leaf gets a little bit of paint. And the back. And I'm going to fold my paper in half. Make sure to cover the leaf. Let's see what we've created. Oh, this is pretty. You can try it with any other type of leaf. I've got like long ones. I've got very thin ones that have a really nice texture, a really nice feel. These are very strong. I got some of these fun ones. These. Got tiny ones as well. I think this is a really good idea, and it doesn't really need anything but a sponge, paper and paint. So try it at home. Thank you.